Microsoft Surface is an amazing new multi-touch technology recently launched by Microsoft on April 17, 2008. Surface is a revolutionary platform that responds to natural touch and interacts with electronic devices. Surface is built to allow multiple users to manipulate and maneuver digital content. Multi-touch is the technology behind Surface. Multi-touch has been in development for the past 25 years at various universities and laboratories around the world. Multi-touch is a touch screen that works with software to recognize several simultaneous touch points. Surface was finally conceptualized in 2001 by two Microsoft employees. In the next several years, they moved on to build hundreds of different prototypes until the final design was completed in 2005. It was later unveiled at a digital technology conference in May of 2007. Underneath the 30-inch XGA display, there is a DLP rear projector that projects the image onto the underside. There are 5 cameras that make up the camera-based vision system, which all use LED infrared direct illumination technology. It measures roughly 3.5 feet long by 2.25 feet wide, standing at almost 2 feet high. The device varies in weight from 180 pounds to 198 pounds, depending on the outer paneling selected. The Surface's inviting horizontal form factor allows multiple users to gather around the machine comfortably to share in the computing experience. The Surface has a custom-built motherboard about 2 times the size of a regular ATX motherboard. It is running an Intel Core 2 Duo at 2.13 GHz with 2 GB of dual-channel DDR2 RAM. It has a built-in wireless card and Bluetooth chip for communicating with wireless devices such as PDAs, phones, iPods, laptops, etc. Microsoft Surface currently runs on a slightly optimized version of Windows Vista. The look and feel is very much like Vista and other newer Microsoft applications. Microsoft Surface is capable of direct interaction, object recognition, and is multi-touch and multi-user friendly. Users can interact with the machine by touching or dragging their fingers. They may also use tools such as a traditional Microsoft paintbrush or pencil to interact with the Surface, or by placing and moving objects onto the screen. Several objects such as wine glasses, food, digital cameras, cell phones, and laptops are all capable of being recognized by Microsoft Surface. They may then be interacted with through the use of digital responses. Microsoft Surface recognizes many points of contact simultaneously instead of the traditional single point of contact. Surface is optimized to respond to 52 touches at a single time, making it ideal for multiple users. Microsoft Surface is currently being used in several different industries, from hotels, casinos, and restaurants, to retail stores, schools, and even event security. I am now going to show you several different examples of Microsoft Surface and how it can become an integral part of our lives in the years to come. Most recently, Microsoft Surface has been used by MSNBC to provide coverage of the 2008 presidential election. They hooked up a Surface to an external VGA monitor to display the electoral map of the United States as well as battleground states. A custom application was developed prior to the election allowing this to happen. The electoral map allowed the political correspondent to quickly and easily switch between viewing past voting history, demographic data, polls, and real-time information, all at the swipe of a finger. Another recent demonstration of Microsoft Surface in action was at Super Bowl 43. Microsoft Surface was used by NFL security coordinators to coordinate security forces across the site. They mapped out several different zones and knew where everybody was from one central command center. The Surface's mapping software is integrated with planning and voice communication, so if problems arise, the field commander could radio the security officer to check in on the problem, directly from the Surface. Many hotels and casinos have already begun to take advantage of the several features and benefits of owning a Surface computing system. Users can do a range of things, including watching videos, surfing the web, viewing maps to plan a night out, ordering drinks and food, playing games, and you can even chat and flirt with people across the bar at other Surface units. Disneyland in Anaheim, California recently purchased several Microsoft Surface units and incorporated them into their new Dream Home attraction. The Dream Home is a home of the future that has several technological enhancements that we could see in the everyday home in the near future. The Microsoft Surface serves as the multi-purpose dinner table in the Dream Home. It is able to suggest wine pairings with food, download content from digital devices, and entertain the kids with puzzles and paint applications. Microsoft Surface has the potential to be an excellent learning tool. It has the ability to give students a more hands-on learning experience, literally. Several independent companies are building custom educational applications for the Microsoft Surface unit. One such company, N Squared, has already built several different educational applications for everybody ranging from preschoolers to adults. One such application aimed at smaller children is a spelling program. It allows you to pick up and move individual letters to form words. For older students, N Squared has designed a program that involves building an electric circuit that lights up a light bulb. As you can see, Microsoft Surface is a very versatile, powerful, fun-to-use machine. I believe that the possibilities of this unit are endless, only limited by the imagination of developers. Currently, the price of a commercial unit costs $12,500. As they go down in price and more people are exposed to them, I sincerely believe these units will become commonplace at restaurants, hotels, and schools around the world. This concludes my presentation. If you have any additional questions, feel free to email me through our class mail. Thank you.